Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step guide to resolve the issue of the play button being grayed out and Jinx fixes everything. You can follow these troubleshooting steps. First restart the game client, exit the game completely, and relaunch it. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. Next, check for game updates. Ensure that your game is up to date. Go to the settings menu and look for an option to check for updates. Install any available patches. Change matchmaking regions. Sometimes issues with specific regions can cause problems. Navigate to the settings and change your matchmaking region to see if that resolves the issue. Now end background processes. Verify game file integrity if you are using a platform like Steam. Right-click on the game in your library, go to Properties, Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Reinstall the game again. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game to ensure a clean installation. If after trying these steps the play button remains grayed out, it may be beneficial to reach out to customer support for further assistance. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.